How to log in to Cash App or how to access the Cash App account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in or access your Cash App account. Now the process is quite simple. You can get the Cash App application from your Play Store or App Store if it's available in your region. In my case, in my region it's not available, so I'm showing you here on the Google. If you want to log in on your browser as well, you can simply head into Cash App. You can simply open up a browser and you can type in cashapp.com there, and you'll be headed into the official Cash App page there. Now here you can see, if you just type in Cash App, you'll get an interface like this and you'll get these options, and you can see the second option, login. You want to simply tap on login option, and there you'll be prompted to the login page. There you want to tap, and then you can simply enter in your phone number or email associated with your account that you wish to access, and from there you want to follow the prompts. That is, you want to go through the security measures such as login code and such, and once you do so, you'll be able to easily access or log into your Cash App account. So this way you can log into Cash App account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.